I took a really small break from India and I came to Italy for 8 weeks. I'm gonna travel a lot to this beautiful country, so stay tuned because I'm gonna make amazing videos for you all.
Everything about you.
Italy, baby! My dear friends, so romantic here, guys. No, please.
What is this?
No. This is the Pantheon.
Pantheon.
Pantheon, it's like a shampoo. Oh, no. This is the entrance.
Ah, Ustica.
2,000 years. I think I've never seen a ceiling so high as this one. You really feel little here. It's like you are like in the 5 dimensions, something like that. I wonder what happens when it rains with that cold. This is so cool. It's super cold. Water from di Trevi. We are in Fontana di Trevi, Rome. In the middle of the summer, it's super hot here. It's beautiful. The water is clean. I just had lunch. They robbed me, by the way, but it was fine. It was really nice food. Gelateria!
They're everywhere.
Yeah, but this one. We are in the Vatican Museum, in the part of the Egyptian Museum. Let me see. The real name is Egyptian Museum. It's really hot, so I'm using this.
You like snakes?
Yes, because the snakes appear to me in meditation. God knows. Zucchini, eggplant, cheers. The Vatican. We finished the museum, the Vatican Museum. Really interesting. really cool. I'm really tired. Another day in Rome, and today is Colosseum Day. 500,000 people were killed here, and 1 million of animals, including jaguars, elephants, lions, and tigers. And they were taken from Africa. Imagine. And it lasted 2 centuries, and it was built only in 10 years, and it was built 70 after Christ. And in 10 years it was completely built, and it lasted 2 centuries. After the Romans, the Christians started using it. Well, the Catholics. Look at the cute street. This is really so European. Guys, tell me if Rome is not the cutest place. It's so romantic. Look how cute these restaurants here in Rome. That's a really cool idea if you want to own a restaurant. It's in the middle of the street, in the sidewalk. They're super cute. And Rome is a city, guys, that, I don't know, I feel that it doesn't sleep. It is like 11 o'clock in the night or 12, and people is like, if it would be, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning, you can My first gelato, I ordered the 45 dark chocolate vegan one plus rice vegan one with hazelnut. Super nice. This is the farmers market, one of them of Rome, and one good thing of coming here is that besides supporting the locals, you can get really cheap deals and really fresh food. And one good thing that you can buy here is all of your snacks during the day. So you can buy lots of fruits, you can buy lots of veggies, and it's a really good deal. Okay, this is the Foro Romano, so let's go see it.
What you doing?
I'm here in the Foro Romano, looking at really old stuff, learning about history. Kinda. It's really cool. It's kind of a complicated story, which I'm trying to understand. I am starving. My feet hurt so much. When you come to Europe, you're gonna walk so much. So right now we're gonna go to near the river to Trastevere to find something to eat, because at this hour they start putting these locals that are so cool. It's next to the river, and you can see like the sunset there, and drink wine or eat beer and have really nice food. So I'm heading there. This is a really cool plaza full of artists everywhere. There's a model there. Lots of naked people everywhere. Apparently in like 2 centuries ago, people were obsessed with naked people. Beautiful Rome between, this is Trastevere, is the place, it's called Trastevere, and it's really beautiful because we have a lot of spots that you can come here and buy stuff and drink wine and have good food, music. The way that you can really know the culture is by going in the public transportation. And I have to say that Rome has a really cool, easy public transportation. I have been taking lots of buses and subway, and they are really easy and comfortable. I'm heading home, and this is the bus number 98. I'm waiting for the 75 bus, and look how cool this screen. They tell you exactly, oh, it just changed, but it tell you exactly in what minutes the bus is gonna come. I'm sorry, I'm from Costa Rica. It's really, really modern for me.
Because everything is always late in Costa Rica? Or doesn't show up at all?
No,
Is that what you're trying to say?
what I'm trying to say is that I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. After 6 months, I meet my family here in Rome. My brother Alejandro, my mom Lily, and my dad Antonio.
So excited.
From Costa Rica. Woo! So guys, this was the video of Rome. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful city as much as I enjoy it. See you next Monday with new information for you all. As always, much love from Italy. Take care.